Welcome to the mix, and on the mix we have Dwayne. Dwayne says to speak the truth, even if you're going to be cursed out for the truth, you should always speak the truth. So he's saying that he's sharing his truth, and that's what it is. And even though he's been cursed out, so please go catch the video and like, share, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so that when I post, you know.
Only, no matter what the circumstance may be, even if you know you're going to get cursed out by, speak the truth. Speak the truth. The truth is exactly what it is. The truth and the truth only. Allow people to want to hurt you or harm you or tear you down for the truth. And that's how I am. I am a person of truth. Truth and truth only. And you know what? I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Like, I found me. I don't care. I found me. And no one I'm going to allow to take the power away. Frogs leap, darling. Frogs leap. I am not a frog. I'm a ninja. You know a ninja? I'm a ninja. You know, listen, people, right? See me? I actually like everyone. I actually like everyone. Even if they don't like me, I like everyone. And I also want the best for everyone too. You should get AOD today with Cheryl Lee. Ralph, cause you certainly. Darling, I'm trending topic. Dwayne Fletcher is trending topic. I set trends. You understand? My name just rolls off their tongues. Trending topic. The disabled boy is a trending topic. And you know, funny thing, guys, I went over to YouTube, right? And someone posted a caption on one of their videos and said, Dwayne, really? Mr. Lord Jesus Christ, what a piece of calamity. What a piece of calamity. I could understand, right? I could understand if they had listened to all sides before jumping to conclusion. However, I feel like a lot of these people on here are so one-sided, and if you are not for a specific group, then you are basically a non-entity, a non-factor. And listen, I'm always going to be me, and I'm not going to allow anyone to take that away from me. Understand? Not you, Dwayne. What? Unium, sir. And who's that? I don't know who's that. Who's that? Guys, do you guys realize what is happening on social media? Do you guys realize what is happening in front of our eyes on social media? I have a live plan for tomorrow, and my caption will say exactly what is happening. Dwayne, why you don't go to your... I should please come and put me to bed. I need a night nurse. Because perhaps if I had a night nurse rubbing my back and putting me to sleep, perhaps I would have slept already. What you do, darling, I don't know. All I did was spoke the truth, and people are really upset. I'm always myself, Kimberly. I'm always myself. I am. Dwayne Fletcher will always be Dwayne Fletcher. And I love all of me, disabled, discolored teeth. I love all of me. You see, Thank you, Monique. Monique, thank you. Monique, honest to God, I'm glad, like, the real ones, the real people saw, like, I didn't say enough. What I realized that's happening on social media. There are a lot of two-faced thing, two-face. A lot of two-faces going around in social media. Not only that, you know what I've realized? The same thing, the same exact thing I said, right? The same thing. A lot of them are saying the exact same thing, the same thing. But in that conversation, they're saying Dwayne is too enough. Dwayne is this. Like, seriously? On a serious? Seriously? How was that too enough? I was too enough for talking the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth. Okay, well, if that makes me enough, I will take it. I will. Respectfully, I will take it. Imagine people are roaming around social media as if they've lost their damn shadow. They are roaming around social media as if they lost their shadow. While me, I'm over here just skinning teeth with me and my friends. My friends are on the phone, was talking, and just skinning teeth. I said, look at it. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. What did I say wrong? I said nothing wrong. Because the very same thing I was saying, a lot of them are saying the exact same thing. However, they're trying to throw me under the bus. They're trying to throw me under the bus. Like, seriously? For talking the truth? Okay, throw away, sweetie pies, throw away. But throw me under that bus. Run me over too. Even better, use my wheelchair and run me over. Use my wheelchair and run me over. I think that would be a better option. Because a bus will be too detrimental for me and for my health and so forth. If you run me with a wheelchair, at least I would stand a chance of coming through and living. You can say that again. Thank you, Janet. Thank you. Guys, I don't need to lie. You see, you know what I would do moving forward. Like, honest to God, I would rather get cursed out. I would rather get cursed out for telling the truth and the whole truth and nothing but the truth.